Okay, I'm gonna show you something real. Last week, I was sick, and I couldn't wash my hair for about 7 days. My hair is very thick, so when I don't wash it properly, my scalp gets oily, itchy, and I start seeing dandruff buildup. You can see here, this is not fake. This is real scalp buildup. Sometimes life happens. We get sick, we feel tired, and hair care becomes the last priority. But today, I'm going to fix this naturally. It can happen because of oil buildup, fungus on the scalp, not washing properly, stress, the weather changes, weak immunity. When I was sick, my immunity was low. And when your body is weak, your scalp can also react. Many people think dandruff means poor hygiene. That's not true. It's usually a scalp imbalance. Dandruff is often caused by fungus on the scalp. Today I'm using Neem. Neem naturally helps control that. Neem is a powerful natural plant used in Ayurvedic care for centuries. Neem helps fight fungus, reduce scalp itching, control excess oil, calm inflammation. Natural remedies need consistency. Don't expect magic in one day. Remember, healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Sometimes we buy expensive shampoos and treatments, but nature already gives us powerful solutions. Also, don't feel ashamed of dandruff. It can happen to anyone. Take care of your body. Take care of your scalp. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Let me show you how I make it. You need a handful of fresh neem leaves, two cups of water, boil the neem leaves for about 10 minutes. If your scalp is very dry, you can mix a few drops of coconut oil before applying. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes if your dandruff is severe. Let it cool completely. Massage gently for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then pour it into a spray bottle. Strain the water. That's it. Simple, natural, affordable. Now I'm spraying it directly on my scalp. Focus on the roots, not the hair length. Massage gently for about 2 to 3 minutes. This helps improve blood circulation and allows the neem to work deeper. It feels very cooling and calming. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Do this 2 to 3 times per week. See you in my next natural hair care video.